In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Windows 10 activation error 0xc004f074. So to resolve this issue, firstly click on Start, then type CMD. Right click on Command Prompt and click on Run as Administrator. If it will ask permissions, so click on Yes. Now here you need to type this command line SL mgr space /IPK space and type your product key. So when you type your product key and you entered, so you will see pop-up product key installed successfully. So hopefully guys you like this video, and by this simple step we can know how to fix and resolve this Windows 10 activation error. Thanks for watching this video. Please comment this video work for you or not.